Welcome my dear students in 7th class. We learn subject Maths. We started chapter number 9 Direct Proportion and Inverse Proportion. Today we learn part number 9.5 Partnership. Let's learn what is partnership, what is business, what is capital and what is profit and loss. What is capital? When starting a business capital, money is required for a office, raw materials, etc. This amount is called capital. What is partnership? Two or more people put in a money for the capital. In other words, these people start business by investing the partnership. How they manage bank? Type of bank account. All partners have a joint account in a bank. How share their profit and loss? The profit made or the loss incurred is shared by the partners in proportion to the money each one has invested. Let's see the examples on partnership. First example is Jhelum and Atharva invested 2100 and 2800 rupees respectively and started a business. They made a profit of 3500 rupees. How should it be shared? Let us see how solve this example. Jhelum and Atharva invested money and profit 3500 rupees. Let us find out proportion of investment. 2100 and 2800 divided by 100. 21 and 28 divided by 7, 3:4 is proportion. Proportion is investment is 3:4. Let's profit 3500 rupees. Let us Jhelum's profit is 3x and Atharva's profit is 4x. Total profit is 3500. 3x plus 4x is equal to 3500. 7x is equal to 3500. Taken 7 right side, divisor 3500 upon 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 0s are 0. X is equal to 500. So 3x Jhelum's profit is equal to 3x. 3x is equal to 3 into 500 is equal to 1500 rupees Jhelum's profit. And Atharva's profit is 4x is equal to 4 into 500 2000 rupees. Verify total profit 1500 plus 2000 is equal to 3500 rupees. Second example is Chinmay and Sam invested a total 1,30,000 rupees in a business in the proportion 3:2 respectively. What amount did each of them invest? If their total profit was 36,000 rupees, what is the share of each? Let us solve this example. Chinmay and Sam investment 1,30,000 rupees, profit 36,000 rupees and proportion is 3:2. Proportion is investment 1,30,000 rupees. Let us find the investment. Chinmay's and Sam, Chinmay's 3y and Sam's investment 2y. Total investment 1,30,000. 3y plus 2y is equal to 1,30,000. 5y is equal to 1,30,000. Let's taken 5 right side in divisor as divisor. 1,30,000 upon 5. Let's divide it by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 6 are 30 and 0 0 0. Y is equal to 26,000. Chinmay's investment Chinmay's investment is 3Y and Sam's investment 2Y. 3Y into 26,000 is equal to product is 78,000. Chinmay's investment is 78,000. Sam's investment is 2Y, 2 into 26,000, 52,000. Sam's investment is 52,000. Let us find the profit. Chinmay's profit is 3x and Sam's profit is 2x. Total profit is 36,000. Let's find profit. 3x plus 2x is equal to 36,000. 3 plus 2, 5x is equal to 36,000. X is equal to 36,000 upon 5. 5 taken right side as divisor. 5 sevens are 35. 5 twos are 10. 0 0. 7,200. X is equal to 7,200. Let's find each profit. Chinmay's profit is 3 into 7,200. Product is 26,600 and Sam's profit is 2 into 7,200. Product is next example is 14,400. Abdul, Sejal, in this way we solve this example. Each gave Saili 30, 70 and 50 rupees respectively. Saili put in 150 rupees and bought paper, colors, etc. Together they made greeting cards and sold them all. If they made a total profit of 420 rupees, what was each one's share in the profit? Let's solve this example. Abdul, Sejal, Soham and Saili, 4 friends, and they made greeting cards. Abdul 30 rupees, Sejal 70 rupees, Soham 50 rupees and Saili share is 150 rupees. Capital is 300 rupees. Saili's share is 150 rupees. Profit 420 rupees. Half profit is Saili. So 420 rupees divided by 2, 210 rupees profit is Saili and 210 rupees profit is 3 friends. Profit is 210 rupees. Profit, proportion of profit remaining 210 rupees is 30, 70 and 50 divided by 10 3 as to 7 as to 5. This is proportion of profit. So their share of profit is altogether 210 rupees. What is the profit of each one's? Let's solve this example. Let's find their individual profit be 3K, 7K and 5K. 3K plus 7K plus 5K is equal to 210. 3 plus 7 plus 5, 15K is equal to 210. K is equal to 210 upon 15. 15 taken as divisor right side. 15 ones are 15. 15 fours are 60. K is equal to 14. See What is the profit of Abdul, Sejal and Soham's? Abdul's profit is 3k, Sejal's profit is 7k and Soham's profit is 5k. 3 into 14, 14 threes are 42 rupees profit is Abdul's. 7 into 14, 14 sevens are 98, 98 rupees profit is Sejal. 5 into 14, 14 fives are 70 rupees profit is Soham's profit. Let's solve this example in this way. Next example is Saritaben, Ayesha and Meenakshi started business by investing 2,400, 5,200 and 3,400 rupees. They made a profit of 50%. How should they share it? If they reinvest all their profit by adding to it to the capital, what will each one's share be in the following year? म्हणजेच झालेला नफा काढून न घेता पुढच्या वर्षाच्या भांडवलात मिळवला तर प्रत्येकीचा पुढच्या वर्षासाठी भागीदारी किती असेल? Let us solve this example. 3 ladies start business, Saritaben, Ayesha and Meenakshi. Their investment is 2,400, 5,200 and 3,400. Capital is 2,400, 5,200 and 3,400. All total capital is 11,000 rupees and their profit is 50%. Let us find the profit of this investment. Total profit is equal to 11,000 into 50%. 11,000 50 upon 100 divided by 100. 110 into 50. 5,500 rupees total profit. Here total capital is 11,000 and total profit is 5,500. Find proportion of capital. 2,400, 5,200 and 3,400. First divided by 100 to these three numbers. 24 as to 52 as to 34. Then divided by 2 those three number divided by 2. 12 as to 26 as to 17. When divided by 2, this proportion is 3 ladies, Saritaben, Ayesha and Meenakshi. Let us, Saritaben's profit is 12p, Ayesha's profit is 26p and Meenakshi's profit is 17p. Next, we solve this example. 12p plus 26p plus 17p is equal to 5,500. 12 plus 26 plus 17 is equal to 55p is equal to 5,500. We taken 55 right side as divisor. 5,500 divided by 55, p is equal to 100. Let's find each profit. What is each profit of? Saritaben's profit is 12 into 100 is equal to 1,200. Ayesha's profit is 26 into 100 is equal to 2,600 rupees. And Meenakshi's profit is 17 into 100 is equal to 1,700. In this way, we find the profit. Next, if they add their profit to the capital, their further investment will be added profit in their capital 3600 Saritaben's capital for next year and Aisha's capital is 7,800 rupees and Meenakshi's capital for next year is 5,100. Investment all their profit by adding it to the capital. Each one's share be in the following year 3,600, 7,800 and 5,100 each capital. Let's discuss of this example. In the above example, if Sarita Ben, Meenakshi and Aisha all add their profit to the capital, find out the proportions of their shares in the capital during the following year. Find out their proportion of the capital during the following year. Proportion is new capital is 3,600, 7,800 and 5,100 divided by 100 to this capital divided by 100, 36 as to 78 as to 51 divided by 3 to this three numbers 12 as to 26 as to 17. Their share proportion is 12 as to 26 as to 17 for the following year. What we learned today? What is the capital? What is the partnership? How shared profit and loss? How to find out their proportion? Students, today's study is write down all these examples in your notebook in this part. Thanks my dear students. Stay home, stay safe and study regularly. Thanks.